Achieving a radiant complexion involves a combination of good skincare habits, a healthy lifestyle, and a positive mindset. Here are some tips for maintaining healthy skin and a radiant complexion. Cleansing. Start with a gentle cleanser to remove dirt, oil, and makeup. Avoid harsh, stripping cleansers that can disrupt your skin's natural balance. Exfoliation. Regular exfoliation can help remove dead skin cells and promote cell turnover. This can be done with physical exfoliants, like a scrub, or chemical exfoliants, like alpha-hydroxy acids or beta-hydroxy acids. Be careful not to overdo it, as excessive exfoliation can lead to irritation. Moisturize. Use the moisturizers suitable for your skin type. Hydrated skin looks healthier and more radiant. Consider a product with ingredients like hyaluronic acid or glycerin for extra moisture. Sun protection. Protect your skin from the sun's harmful UV rays by wearing sunscreen every day, even on cloudy days. UV exposure can cause premature aging, dark spots, and skin cancer. Look for a broad-spectrum sunscreen with at least SPF 30. Balanced diet. Eat a well-balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Omega-3 fatty acids, vitamin C, and antioxidants can contribute to a healthy complexion. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water to keep your skin hydrated from the inside out. Manage stress. Chronic stress can affect your skin's health. Practice stress reduction techniques, such as meditation, yoga, or deep breathing exercises. Quality sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep per night. During deep sleep, the body repairs and regenerates skin cells. Exercise. Regular physical activity increases blood flow, which can help nourish skin cells and keep your complexion looking healthy. Limit alcohol and caffeine. Excessive alcohol and caffeine intake can dehydrate the skin. Moderation is key. Quit smoking. Smoking accelerates the aging process and contributes to wrinkles and a dull complexion. Quitting smoking can significantly improve your skin's health. Clean makeup brushes. Dirty makeup brushes can harbor bacteria and cause breakouts. Clean them regularly to prevent skin issues. Adequate sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep per night. During deep sleep, the body repairs and regenerates skin cells. Hydrate from the inside. Drink plenty of water to keep your skin hydrated from the inside out. Regular skincare routine. Establish a consistent skincare routine that includes cleansing, toning, moisturizing, and any specific treatments your skin may need, such as serums or acne products. Avoid harsh products. Be cautious with harsh chemicals or products that can irritate the skin. Patch test new products and introduce them slowly to your routine. Consult a dermatologist. If you have specific skin concerns or conditions, seek advice from a dermatologist. They can recommend personalized treatments and solutions. Positive mindset. Mental and emotional well-being can have a direct impact on your skin's health. Stress and negative emotions can lead to skin problems, so focus on maintaining a positive mindset.